Hi everyone, Stone's RV is proud to participate in this year's Halifax RV Show and Sale at the Halifax Exhibition Centre January 20th to the 23rd. Stone's RV will have many exciting floor plans and sales in our booth, so make sure you stop in to check it out. Just like this beautiful 2022 Alpine 3712 KB. This front living luxury unit boasts some of the most amazing modern amenities of any of the RVs in the industry. So step inside and let's have a look. And here we are in this highly sought after luxury fifth wheel by Alpine. This front living floor plan boasts some of the most amazing spaces for you and your family to gather and enjoy the evenings. Here we have a front windshield which gives you a nice view directly out of the front of the fifth wheel. We have a fireplace, TV inside the fireplace which comes up electrically, two pull-out couches, and two recliners in the back. And as you can see, there is absolutely no carpet on the floor of this unit. In the back here, let's have a look at the kitchen. Just a modern space there. You can just tell with all the decor and the colors just how modern it truly is. It has a 4-door fridge. It's propane and electric. It has a residential oven and propane stove. Check that out. And then as we swing to the left, you're going to see the new modern pantry. Alpine designed just an incredible space here, and our customers truly love it. And as we swing around to the dinette area, it's nice and private there. Tons of space around the table for the chairs. And folks, Alpine has the highest slide boxes in the industry at 6 feet 10 inches. This beautiful unit can be yours if you stop into the Stone's RV booth. Now let's have a look at the residential bathroom in this unit. There is no other bathroom like it in the industry. Keep in mind, folks, when we go to modern amenities, this Alpine has a 360 hot water tank on demand. Check out the residential shower. Double sink, tons of storage space, absolutely stunning. Folks, join us at the Halifax RV Show and Sale at the Halifax Exhibition Centre January 20th to 23rd.